So welcome to another episode of Amazon product videos. In today's video, we're going to configure toilet paper holders and also a paper towel holder combo. Yes, you heard that. It's going to be a combination of toilet paper holders and paper towel holders. So let's find out. Before I install everything together, so let me just do mock-up. So let me just show you the concept of this. So we got all these parts right here, right? Okay, so we're going to configure combo holders. Let's first find out the pipe that I'm going to use to hold the the paper towel. So we got three different long pipes. I just put this away. So we got all these three long pipes, right? There are two 6.3 inches and there was one 6.0 inches. So in this case, we're going to use the 6.0 inch to hold the paper towel. That's the paper towel. So it's going to go like this in a vertical way. So this is going to be for the paper towel, and this is going to be, this side is going to be for the toilet paper, and I will need a T in the middle, T fitting in the middle, so it's like this, and I'll put elbows to the toilet paper holder 6.0 inch pipe, and everything will be laid out like that. To go out from the T, I will use the 2.0 to connect to the T, like that, and another elbow to connect the 2.0 to the 2.8. So the 2.8 is going to be like that, and this is the flange. And from the flange, it's 2.8 inches, and then to the elbow, 2.0, and T, 6.3, elbow, 6.0. And we have the two caps. This is basically a mock-up of the real configuration looks like, and to see if it's fit your bathroom. Now I'm just hand tight everything, and this is pretty much as far as I can go. Okay, so this is on your left. You can put the 6.0 inches on your right, but the paper towel is going to go like this. The toilet paper is going to go like this too. So how do you tighten everything and line everything? I would really suggest you get a vise. So you clamp down on the fittings, on the T fittings, so you can just start to tighten and align everything, make them straight and parallel. Okay? But that's toilet paper holders and paper towel holder combo.